Hello again, guys. I bought me a microphone. Let me show you. You see, it's from the same series, free fixing for nieces and nephews and whatever, you know, helping the grandfathers and mothers and so on. So here I have a microphone, okay, which is not working anymore or something. Hey, we should hear some sound. Evidently nothing, so probably it's not charged. Let's see. Any sign of life? I don't see any. Is it charging? Let's have a look. Okay, so probably it's not good this way. The meter, it's on now. Okay, now it's charging. I can see a red light there. 0.77 milliamps. Let's put it to 0 and let's charge it for a little bit. Let's wait. Okay, so we pushed like 141 milliamps hour. Let's see if there is any movement. So probably this is the power on. There it goes.
Bluetooth mode.
Hey, testing. It's working. Testing. So what is wrong with this? Hey, testing. Nothing wrong with this guy. Probably it was just a matter of charging. But as long as we are here, let's take a look inside. And let's see if we can improve something. Maybe better battery or something. Let's try that. Oh no. I thought there is a screw or something, but there is no screw. Or is it down there somewhere? Really? Oh yeah, we have a screw. Alright. What the? But you know what? That one, it's done in purpose because of small pieces in the hands of the kids. You know, small bits, they are dangerous. So yeah, appreciate that concern. Any screws here? No, but this one should go out. Oh, of course it is. I'm afraid it was glued for the same purpose, to avoid dismantle and, you know, accidents. But you see, I'm trying to take this out and it's not giving up. Oh, of course. You see, patience is not one of my best gifts, let's call it. I need to take this string out, and now probably we can do it. BMC 060WH. What a name. And that's it, people. A lot of dust. And here we have the electronic board with delay. Are you kidding me? 20 years ago it was a dream for having a delay. And here we have the lithium element 18650. Okay, what is this? What is saying here? 1200 milliamps only. And of course we have a temperature sensor. It should go out. You see, somehow I have to admit it, it's well done. Temperature sensor on all these little parts, you know, really carefully covered, and yeah, kind of okay. I want to check the internal resistance of these elements, and probably I will replace it with some better. Okay, so that's only 18650 evidently. Let's see the internal resistance. I'm always checking this. It's one of the first things we have to check, so I'm pretty sure it's something related with charging 52 milliohms. Well, I really don't like it. Let me find some better. You see, that's an old cell recovered from laptop batteries. (42 milliohms), but it's not only the internal, it's also the capacity 2200 instead of 1200, and I'm pretty sure this is not 1100, not at all. So let's replace this, put all the things back, and that's it. You see, kids, they don't really care about charging, discharging and stuff like this. They are just playing. So a better battery, it's always welcomed. I'm not afraid of overheating the cell because I'm using these leftovers tabs. See, I'm putting some soldering behind and then press it down. Just like that. Not a good positioning, but perfect. Like that. And let me take this out. Evidently we have a kind of BMS here with two MOSFETs like that, plus it's red. Okay, we need to go farther. Oh, I can go like this. Perfect. Then we have where is that piece of, alright, right here under the things. Now I should come. Alright, yeah, I believe I have to have a piece of wire there. So this is absolutely okay, no problem with the amperature. That's fine. Perfect. This is done. Now we have the cover. Like this. Of course. Well, this doesn't fit. What? What about this? I can't believe that. Well, doesn't fit. No problemos. We have some regular tape in this situation. We should have some charge here. Working.
Bluetooth.
Let's have the electronic back in place. And I have the black wire from the battery exactly in the screw path. This is amazing. You know, be really careful with this, because sometimes it's happening to get wires under the screw and you just got them screwing down. So you got screwed by the screw. Yeah, fine. Where are you? Up here. Okay, is it everything working? Yeah, it's working.
Bluetooth mode.
Whoa. Perfect. And now the top. Oh, forgot about these guys. The ears. I like that. That's it. And now comes the funny part. We need to really cover this with some double tape, because it's not only mechanical, but it's also a matter of anti-feedback. Acoustically, it's isolating the microphone from the loudspeaker or the body, like this. You know, this is really clever done. All this string and tape and whatever. That should be enough. Okay, screws. I got one there. They're right here. Voila! Nothing left to do, but you know something? I'm not sure that I'm gonna have this back. This one, it's okay because it's not so destroyed. It's fine. No, I just give up with this one. The microphone, is it working? Of course.
Bluetooth mode.
Thank you. Here we go. Yes, testing. Hey, So, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's it for today. Like always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button, and of course, thanks to my sponsors. Until the next one, please don't forget to have fun. See you. Bye bye.